Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about limes, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with limes. So if you're looking for something a little different, way to use them, maybe some different flavorings to add with them, hopefully this will help you out. Limes pair well with basil, chili powder, cilantro, coriander, cumin, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, mint, mustard powder, oregano, rosemary, tarragon, and thyme. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.